Hi, welcome to another Score 8 tutorial. Uh, Today we are going to be looking at absolute values, the absolute values of variables. You know, you know what the definition is. I have a question here. Evaluate the following expression when x is equal to -3. We have the absolute value of minus 6 plus 3x minus the absolute value of 2x cubed plus x squared. So without wasting so much of your time, let's go ahead and see what is going on here. So first of all, by definition, we have the absolute value of x is equal to, is equal to minus x if x is less than 0, and x if x is greater than or equal to 0. That is by definition. That is the definition of absolute value. Without wasting time, let's go ahead and see what this is. So we have this equation here. So now we have the x is given to be -3. So we can go ahead and substitute x in each in these variables. We can go ahead and replace x there, which is -3. So we have the absolute value of -6 plus 3. So we replace x here, which is -3, minus the absolute value of 2 into -3 all cube plus the absolute value of -3 all squared. So we have that. So we will go ahead and simplify whatsoever is inside these absolute values. So we should first of all simplify all of them. We have the absolute value of -6. So we have 3 positive times minus is minus. We have -9 over here. So we have minus the absolute value of, so we have 2 -3 cube. Remember, a negative raised to an even number is positive. It results to a positive value. But a negative number like this one raised to an odd number, we always have a negative result. So the answer here will be -27 absolute value plus the absolute value of -3 all squared, right? So I don't know why I'm repeating that, but I just want to let you know that this is a negative value raised to an even number, which will result to 9, a positive value, right? So this we have here, this is -15, the absolute value of -15 minus the absolute value of -54 plus the absolute value of 9 over there. So this is just going to be 15. So remember, the absolute value of -54 is 54. So we are going to have -54 over here plus 9. So the result here is going to be this plus this is 24. 24 minus that, so it's -30. So that's the answer to each problem. I hope that you guys understood it. And if you have any question at all, you can leave your comment in the comment section, your questions in the comment section, or you email me at score8@gmail.com. I will be happy to respond to you. And if you learned something so far, please subscribe to